Instant runoff voting, called IRV for short, and often incorrectly called ranked choice voting, or RCV, is one of the most famous voting systems. Its history is also one of the most complicated. It appears to have first been discovered by the mathematician Condorcet, although he dismissed it for not having a specific property he was looking for. It was later rediscovered as a special case of a system known as single transferable vote, which was itself independently discovered many times. No motivation is known beyond just find a better voting system. These two methods appear to have been discovered in pure research. Here is how an IRV election works. When a voter arrives at the polling station, they receive a ballot that looks like this. The voter gives each candidate a ranking by filling in the bubble corresponding to both the candidate in question and the rank being given to that candidate. Only one bubble per candidate and one bubble per rank should be filled in. If no bubble is filled in for a given candidate, it is treated as the worst rank. After all ballots have been cast, it is time for tabulation. First, each ballot is assigned to the first ranked candidate. Then, the candidate with the least number of ballots is eliminated, and their ballots are transferred. Ballots are transferred to the next highest ranked candidate that has not yet been eliminated. This process continues until one candidate has a majority of all ballots. This candidate wins the election. If a voter leaves some candidates blank on their ballot, it is possible that all candidates they did give a rank for are eliminated. In this case, the ballot is considered exhausted and is removed from further consideration. Ballot exhaustion can also occur when the number of ranks available to mark is less than the number of candidates. Some jurisdictions do this to save money, but it severely hampers the effectiveness of IRV. Let's see an example. Suppose 100 people are voting for the best shape. The ballots come in and they look like this. 3 people gave this ballot, 8 people gave this ballot, and so on. As such, we assign votes like so. As the line has the fewest votes, the line is eliminated and its votes are transferred. As no shape has over half of the votes, 51 in this case, the process continues. The circle is eliminated because it has the fewest votes now, and its votes are transferred. Next is the isosceles triangle, and then the square, and then the 3, 4, 5 triangle. Finally, the pentagon is eliminated. Most of its votes are transferred to the hexagon, but some are transferred to the equilateral triangle. This pushes the equilateral triangle over the 51 votes threshold, and so the equilateral triangle wins the election. Instant runoff voting is an ordinal voting system that uses ranked ballots. It is a majoritarian system that passes the majority criterion. It does not pass the monotonicity or participation criteria. As a single winner system, it is not a proportionally representative voting system.